What up? What up? What's good with you boys, man? DRELAMARR right back at it with another one. And today, as I promised, I'm gonna let y'all see what the slap is about. You know what I'm talking about? But before we do that, you already know what I'm about to say. You know what I'm about to say. Smash the like and hit the subscribe. Let's see what the slap is all about. So this is the setup right here, man. We got two 12s, comp VRs with the extra battery over here, you feel me? Got hella extra black tape on it, like a jabroni. Oh, I got something I could use that for. But a whole bunch of extra black tape on there. We don't need all that. We got an extra battery right there. And what's powering all this? Jlaudio 500/1. Didn't want to max out the kicker, so I didn't go with the 1000x1. Went with the 500. I think it's perfect for these speakers, just enough. Now, in order for me to hook this bad boy up, I had to go ahead and take this power wire here. And I don't know if you guys can see back there where it's going in that little grommet there. Snaked it in through there, which in turn makes it come out from under the dash, which I gotta put that cover back on and that wire. Ran the wire along here. Ran it along the back, up behind the seats. So, and also, since I still have my stock deck, I actually just had to feed off the subwoofer back here in the back. And what I like about the little compartment situation is, hit that little button. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. How we blocked? Is the amp in the way? Oh, I might be blocking the door with the amp. Huh. It's supposed to just pop open. Well, fucked up my plan, but I was trying to have it. So as promised, here we go, man. Let y'all hear what it sound like. So that's the slap, man. That's the kickers, man. That's the Jlaudio 500/1 in the Lexus LS430, the VIP build. We turning this thing up. BC coilovers on the way. We dropping that thing down extra low, man. Rims on the way after that, man. Come on, man. We gonna hit the interior. We gonna do everything. We gonna turn this all the way up. We just getting started, man. You see where we headed, man. You see the progress in such a small time. Thank you for watching the video, though, man. We gotta get the hell up out of here. Hit the subscribe button. Smash that shit. What the hell wrong with you? Fuck with your boy, man. You see me over here putting this effort in for this motherfucking team, man. Come on, hit that like button too. We out this thing. Picked up one of these LED little situations for the car. As you see, I couldn't wait. I started hooking it up already. But yeah. I'm gonna tune y'all in when I'm all done. Let y'all see the finished product. Let's go. The finished product. Don't know what the hell I'm recording, but you can see it back there. Pretty dope, man. I could change each individual section or however I want to do it. So yeah, if you haven't already, man, go ahead, smash that subscribe button for your boy, man. I will appreciate it. Definitely all the likes, all the subscribes, all the comments, the shares, I appreciate it all. Join the family. And I'm gonna stay humble. I'm gonna stay grinding. You know, keep banging out this content for y'all. A lot more upgrades coming for the LS430, man. Stay tuned, man. I'm at least give y'all a video once a week. I'm gonna stay up on it. At least once a week, I'm gonna give y'all something. So at least y'all could do, man, is tap in with your boy, man, and go on and smash that like button, man, and help me go on and grow the channel. You know what I'm saying? And be there, be the day ones for your boy. You know what I mean? Grow with me. Come on, man. Join the fam. Grow with your boy, man, because we're going to the top. I ain't stopping. Ain't no brakes on this, man. We're going straight to the top. I ain't stopping no matter what, man. I don't care if I got to make 1 million videos. I got to do this for 10 years, man. We getting to where we need to go, and that's to the top, period. So with that being said, we can go ahead and end this video. Y'all have a good night. We out.